Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I will show you how you can take care of the battery of this device. So in the battery settings we got very simple and really cool feature. Let's enter for the settings. Next we have to tap on the battery. It will be right here with the device care. Go for the battery another time and then scroll down and I'll go for the more battery settings. And as you can see here, you can find the fast charging. So if you don't use this feature, if you don't need to fast your device, to charge your device really fast, it will be much better for your battery lifespan to turn it off. And the last one is the protect battery. So when we want to extend the lifespan of our battery, we have to limit the maximum charge to 85% or even to the 80. For example, on the Asus smartphones, in Asus Zenfone 7 Pro, on Asus ROG Phone 5 or ROG Phone 3, you can find the maximum charge to the 80%. So remember to turn it on. It's also really useful. I'm not going to restart it right now, but when you tap on the switcher, you have to click to restart now, and this setting will be turned on. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.